was buzzing with excitement. Today, she was going to help her grandma cook a big feast for the family. She loved spending time in the kitchen with Grandma and couldn't wait to surprise everyone with her cooking skills. As soon as she arrived, Grandma handed her an apron and gave her a warm hug. "All right, Chef Luna. Today, we're making vegetable soup, fresh bread, and your favorite berry stew," she said with a smile. Luna's eyes sparkled with excitement as they began. She carefully measured ingredients, chopped vegetables, and stirred the big pot of soup. But as she reached for the salt, her hand slipped and splash. The whole bowl of salt tumbled into the pot. "Oh no!" Luna exclaimed, looking at the soup in horror, but Grandma just chuckled. "Well, maybe it'll be a little extra salty. Don't worry, mistakes happen," she said gently. She took a taste, scrunched her nose a little, and added some water to balance it out. Feeling a bit better, Luna moved on to the bread. She kneaded the dough with all her might, trying to make it just perfect. But when she put it in the oven, she got so distracted talking to Grandma that she forgot to set the timer. When they opened the oven, the bread was a little crispy, to say the least. "Oh no, Grandma, it's burnt," Luna said, feeling disappointed. Grandma winked at her. "I think it's just extra toasted," she said, trying to cheer her up. She broke off a piece and gave it a taste. "Still good, just a little crunchier than we planned." Finally, it was time to make her favorite dish, berry stew. Luna was determined to make this one perfectly. She carefully added the berries and spices, stirring as it bubbled away. But as she poured the last ingredient, a whole bunch of berries plopped into the pot at once, making the stew much thicker than usual. Luna looked at the pot and sighed. "I messed it up again, Grandma." But Grandma smiled, wrapping her arm around her. "Luna, cooking is an adventure. Sometimes things go wrong, but that's part of the fun. Let's taste it together." They scooped up the stew and tasted it. The flavor was different than usual, but surprisingly delicious. Grandma let out a hearty laugh. See, sometimes mistakes lead to new discoveries. That evening, the family gathered around the table, chuckling at Luna's mixed-up meal. They all shared stories about their own kitchen mishaps, laughing and enjoying every bite. As Luna looked around, she realized she didn't need to make a perfect meal to make everyone happy. Cooking wasn't just about the dishes. It was about sharing time, laughter, and love with the people she cared about. In the end, Luna learned that even when things don't go as planned, there's always a way to find joy, and sometimes the tastiest dishes are the ones sprinkled with a little laughter.